Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today I have for you cash stuffing. We will be stuffing our sinking funds and savings challenges for the week. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first things first, let's count up our money. So for this week's cash stuffing, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, so that's 235, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So 241 to work with for today. We're going to open up our bullet journal over here to keep track of everything. My bullet journal has not been wanting to stay open. I think it's at a weird spot in the book recently. All right, so we're going to start off with our green binder here and car down payment. So car down payment is going to be getting $25 today. All right, so we have $1,000, $2,000, $2,500 in the bank. And then we have $600, $700, $720, $740, $760, $765, $770. So $2,770. Next up is going to be getting car maintenance. Car maintenance, let's see, is getting $20 today. So we are now at 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 450, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So $456 for car maintenance. All right, next up is car mods. Car mods is only going to be getting $10 this week. So we now have 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 205. I'm about to say 215. 205 in car mods. All right, next up is racing events. That'll only be getting $15 this week. Let's see, where are we at here? So we have $500 in the bank, and then we have 20, 30, 40, 45. So $545. Running is going to be getting $15 today. So running has 100, 120, 130, 140, 145. And electronics is going to be getting 10. We did have a slightly lower budget this week, so we're just putting a little bit away where we can. So 100, 150, 160, 170, 175. Next up is home. Home is going to be getting $5. And like I said, we are working with a lower budget this week because I was sick the previous week. But every little bit counts. Those $5 will make a difference later. So don't feel discouraged, especially on weeks when you don't have as much to cash stuff, okay? So now in home, we have 100, 120, 130, 35, 36, 37, 38. $138 in home. Next up is clothing. Clothing will also only be getting $5, so we have $55 in clothing. Next up is vacation. Vacation will be getting $25 today. All right, so vacation, we have $500, $550, $570, $590, $610, $615 for vacation. Next up is Disney. Again, Disney will be getting $25. And Disney has $500, $550, $570, $590, $610, $615. Gifts will be getting $10 today, and we'll just do 2 5s. So gifts now has 50, 70, 75, 80. And that is it for the green binder. Moving on to our pink binder is Debt Snowball, which currently does not have anything in it because we made our debt payment at during our last bills exchange cash swap. So $20 is going to be going into Debt Snowball for next month. Savings is not getting anything right now. Our emergency savings has $1,000 in the bank. Next up is retirement. And for retirement, we are doing a 52-week challenge. And this week is $9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now in retirement, we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, $45. Next up is our $1 challenge. And our $1 challenge is every dollar bill we get that has the letter A is going into this envelope. We had 1 this week, so that's going to go right in there. And we should have $19 in there. We are not stuffing our savings challenge here. That one, I believe, should be ready for next week. That is our credit card savings challenges, where we are saving all of our we're cashing out our credit card points and saving them up in here instead of letting them sit on that credit card. Next up is YouTube, and YouTube will be getting $6 today. We are going to try and get this up where we can for our 1K giveaway. So right now we are at 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So $28 in YouTube, and that is slowly growing, but it's making progress. Next up is taxes. So I made the decision to start putting 5% of my income into taxes. As a server and only making $2.13 an hour, I always owe at the end of the year. It is inevitable for us. So I'm going to start putting away 5% of my income, and hopefully that should be enough to cover those taxes and maybe have a little extra at the end of the year. So we are going to be putting away $30 this week for those taxes. Let's see. So now in taxes, we have 100, 150, 170, 180, 85, 90. So $190 for taxes. All right, that is it for the pink binder. And then last but not least is our envelope challenge. And we are not following any rules with this challenge. We're just kind of stuffing in here whatever we want, whatever we can each week. This week it is going to be getting $10. And that's that. We're going to be doing this pretty much up until our Disney trip next January. And that'll just be extra spending money, buffer money for that vacation. All right, y'all, that is it for today. We've got everything stuffed for the week. Tune in for our next video. We will be doing our revamping of our whole budget system. So we're going to have some new savings challenge binders added in, and we will just kind of be rearranging where these categories are in the binders. So money's not really going to be changing too much what is in each envelope, but we're going to make it work a little bit better and a little more seamlessly for what my budget's looking like right now. So tune in for that video, and I'll see you then. Bye.